In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to Sony ZVE10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily connect any sort of microphone that you have with your Sony ZVE10. I'm going to showcase the main connection types. So, in order to set up an external microphone with your Sony ZVE10 camera, all that you have to do is take this cover off at the side and you will expose this port where you can connect the microphone. So you will see plug in, and all that you have to do here is plug your microphone into this port. Make sure that you don't use this one that is black with the headphones displayed here. You have to use this port that has a little microphone icon. So look closely, make sure that you don't mix them up, otherwise the microphone is not going to work. So once you find the correct port, usually at the top next to the USB-C port, all that you have to do is plug your microphone in. There's no secret to this. Most microphones will be connected directly into this port, and upon doing so, they will receive the necessary power to start working right away. And if you start recording with the camera, they will be used as the input device. So it is incredibly simple to set up. Alternatively, if you have a different microphone where you need to plug one end of a cable into the receiver and another one into the camera, then you do it like that. You plug one end of a cable into the receiver for your respective microphone, and then the other one goes into this port available on the camera. As I've said before, you have to look closely for the microphone compatible port and not the other one. This other one is going to be used for headphones or headsets, so look for the USB port and then look besides it. This particular spot has a tiny cover that you have to remove, so keep that in mind. It isn't going to be exposed right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect microphone to Sony ZVE10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.